imagination is coming alive. When I'm on vacay mode, be wondering every night. To keep my mind from work, need to go chill by a fire. Drink some martini and talk about life. Ooh, doing my best to survive. But I need more. Mommy, I wish I could fly back and beg and go. I really, really don't mind leaving right now, so about to get on that plane soon. Don't care if it's to Mumbai or Cancun, as long as I'm high as a kite. Hey, yeah, I'll be good.
So last night we kind of said our goodbyes to most of our group. A lot of people have to go home, but we have a couple days here. There's a couple of us that are staying a little bit longer. So we're going to wander around town and see what we can get into in Oaxaca. Should be a good day. It's beautiful weather right now. So I don't know what this place is, but that looks like a good place to have beer at some point up there. No, gracias. No, gracias. What's up, bird? These trees are so cool. They're just huge. Hola. So we found ourselves in this kind of covered open air market, food market. But they're just opening, so a lot of the stalls look like they're still closed up. They should be open here pretty soon. I think they open at 8.
Little things, I wanted to get something. This is nice. Yeah. Let me have a look inside actually. Oh, cute.
Para el mezcal, el tequila.
Oh, for tequila. Okay. Oh, yes, that's so cute.
And then water. Not heavy.
No.
A little clump of wool. No. The smell in here is absolutely amazing. It's all chilies and spices. Eventually someone's going to have to come up with smell-o-vision so you can smell what this market is like, because it's crazy. It smells great. Cilantro, huge beets, big cabbages. Wow. You eat a lot of that?
This is what I had yesterday. Let's keep the...
Oh, it's a fried fat, isn't it? Yeah. How much is this?
No idea.
Oh. ¿Cuánto para estos?
Chiquitos,
Chiquit-
80,
yeah.
2 por 150.
Oh, okay. 80, which would be like maybe $3 or $4. No, it's not bad. We switched up markets. Now we're in a food market. I think here you just buy everything separate and then have someone put it together for you. Like big bread.
If you see something interesting,
This place looks pretty busy. Very busy. You want to try that one? I don't know. It's a pretty broad menu here. They got a lot of stuff. Cheers. Thank you. Where do you even start? Some sausages, beef and pork. I wasn't sure if you want me to take it or if you was just showing it to me. Like a little cup of soup? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Ooh, oh. Yeah, that's hot. Just gotta put everything in here. So we put a hell of a dent in it, but there's no way I can finish this. This is way too much food for 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Yeah, tortillas, what we ordered. She got soup. She thought it was going to be a cup. It was like this big. Quesadillas with like half a chicken in it. And, yeah. And guacamole. It's all good, but you can't fit it all in.
this is the green.
Yeah. Wow, this is amazing. I'm not trapped with Jill Goodacre, but I am trapped in a bank vestibule because it is pouring rain.